So, when I say vehicle technology, so this refers to the innovation which enhances the design, the operation, safety, and efficiency of vehicles that is used for passenger or and freight transportation. So, ang mga innovation sa transportation technology are essentially born out to increase the efficiency, the comfort, and safety. So, ang mga scientists and us, mga in the transportation industry, so we work together to ensure that these technologies will get more people or mga things sa ilang destination faster and safer. So, I have here a list of different vehicle technologies na pwede na ito makakita sa mga So, dahil siya, hindi na siya limited sa mga dulang na area. So, dapat pa siya mga different types of technology. So, kami lang siya ang mga common. So, let's start with the Intelligent Transportation System, RTS technology. So, I guess na, ano na po siya na, siya sa mga previous report. So, kaya siya is, ang technology na ginagamit to make the transportation.
Proper communication enhances safety by preventing accidents through data sharing. So, in traffic control technology, nasa lang yung mga principles natin as well. First, it should fulfill a need. So, dito naman siya, so, dapat mag-gamit, mag-procure of technology or ang business of technology, kaya dapat meet ang purpose, which is mag-fulfill ang needs of pedestrians and drivers. Next, it should give adequate time for proper response. So, for example lang sa mga signages na pinaputang way ahead sa mismong place side, for example, sa mga pedestrian passing ahead or school zone ahead. Next, it should demand respect from the users. And next, it should convey appears to the meaning and it should demand attention. So, traffic signs fall into four broad areas of functional classification for use. First, we have regulatory signs. So, regulatory signs are used to impose legal restrictions to inform for particular restrictions. So, they inform drivers of certain laws and regulations. Mga example lang is mga right of way signs, mga parking signs, stop signs, warning signs, and